Hey you guys, so right now all I'm doing is using the new e.l.f. brow pencil in, I want to say, dark brown. And I really like this pencil. It's not waxy, it's not shiny, and I like it better than the Maybelline one because I don't have to use as much product and it gives me somewhat a natural looking brow. So I am using the WetNWild foundation, and I'll just say today was my first day trying it and I really like it, but I'm going to keep testing it out before I come and do a review. Now I did apply a little bit extra in some spots because I wanted more coverage. And this foundation applies better with a sponge. I do not like this with a brush. Well, not the brush that I first tried it with. And here I'm just adding more again in the spots that I felt like needed more coverage. This is a buildable foundation. It did not look cakey. So now I'm going in and doing my forehead. I don't put a lot of foundation on my forehead. I'm just making sure that I'm blending that really well. And you guys, it was my first time putting on makeup in a very long time. Thumbs up if you want to bring back natural looking makeup, not the Instagram fake looking makeup where you have to use a million products. So this is this Essence pen eyeliner. I did not like it. The product did not come out, and the way I demonstrated on my hand, if I tried it on my eyes, y'all, my eyeliner would have been a hot mess. So I may give this one more go, but I think this was a waste of $1.99. Let me know if you tried this eyeliner down below. See, nothing. Now it works. But I did not like using this at all, guys. I actually switched eyeliners in the video. See y'all, I gave it a good go, but just wasn't working. So this is a dollar eyeliner from Shop Miss A. It's just a clean color liner, and that's what I'm using to finish off my wing. So now I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder, and I want to say almond. And what I noticed about using this powder, if you apply too much, it does turn red on me. So I'm going to try this foundation again with a lighter powder, or use less of my soft focus powder. But again, I'm going to do a full review on that foundation. What I used to contour was my Clean Color Roar Matte Bronzer and my WetNWild crease brush. That's what I love for my contour. This is my blush, and it's from Makeup Revolution, and it's in nude. And I just lightly applied that to my face and blend it in. Very simple makeup, you guys. Very simple and very easy to do. This is one of the new Shop Miss A AOA highlighters in Snap. I like it because it gave me a very natural highlight. Very natural. And I don't highlight my nose or my Cupid's bow anymore unless I am doing Instagram photos, because in real life, you guys, that looks stupid. And now I'm just using my Jordana lip liner. And it's more of like a deep burgundy liner. And you could use whatever red liquid lipstick you would like. But I just used my Wet n Wild one. Let me know if you want a swatch video on those. I have quite a few. So now I'm going in with the Ofra makeup setting spray. And this was my first time using that as well. And I really, really liked it. Really liked it. And it made my highlight pop. And my makeup did last a full 9 hours before I got super oily. So this is pretty much it, you guys. If you like my hair and you would like a tutorial, let me know down below. Thanks for watching.